guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have another Bark Box unboxing to share with you guys. This is the real September box. I know I fell a little bit behind over the summer, so I'm sharing two Bark Box unboxings with you this month, but we're gonna have both of our dogs today. I'm gonna start off with Leo, so let's check out the September box, and I will let Leo see everything that is inside. All right, Leo, you ready? Good boy. All right, let's see. We have a little parrot. What's that? And the theme of this box is Bark Slope Street Fair. So it's a street fair box. And we also have this little lobster. Yes, Leo, a little lobster. And we have a couple of treats. We have New York City Central Pork Pizza and Bark Fresh Fair Treats. So he has 2 bags of treats and 2 toys. Oh, there's something else in here. What is this? Oh, the Play-Doh Pet Treats. Salmon recipe. I think Leo wants this one right away. What's the matter, Leo? All right, so let's give Leo a treat and see how he likes it. And then we will go ahead and get Chester and we'll open up Chester's box. Okay, set. Good boy. Okay, so let me quickly show you guys what is inside. It's the Bark Slope Street Fair. And we have this little lobster guy. And he has a squeaky inside. And he's crinkly as well. And then this cute little bird, which also has a little squeaker inside. Leo wants that one. Oh, I think Leo likes the squeaky bird. And then the treats are the New York City Central Pork Pizza treats. Here's the little card. Bark Slope Street Fair. And then he has this like little Play-Doh Pet Treats salmon recipe. He loves these sticks. He's gonna really love that. And that is everything that is in Leo's Bark Box for the September box. Okay, so this is gonna be a challenge. We brought Chester in. Let's see what's in Chester's box. Leo, you already got your box, buddy. It's Chester's turn. Okay, Chester, come here. So again, it's the Bark Slope Street Festival once again. And, Leo. Chester, look. A little squirrely guy. Yes. All right. Aw. What is this? Oh, Phoebe the burrito. Leo. Chester, this is you. Okay, Leo, you can have that one. And then we have Fetch fries and ketchup. Super cute. Chester, look. And we have some treats, Chester. We have a rabbit recipe dog treat. And then a turkey leg recipe. And there's one more in here. Fresh Fair Treats. And that is everything that Chester got, even though Leo's taking it all away. All right, boys, come on. Let's see what we got here. Chester, come here. What you got? What you got? Oh, Leo. Let Chester have his toy. Okay, let me quickly show you what was in Chester's box here. So we have this burrito guy, and he's crinkly, and he also has a squeaker, which is cute. And then Leo took burrito guy. Leo's taking all the toys. Oh my goodness. Okay, and then we have the little squirrel. I love the squirrels, they're so cute. It's got the little fluffy tail. The French fries, which are crinkly and squeaky. And then again, we have 3 treats. We have the Fresh Fair Treats. He has his little postcard as well. And another, like a little bully stick kind of a treat. And then finally, the Fresh Fair Duck Nugget Recipe Soft and Chewy Treats. And then I'll show you guys the tissue paper because it's always really cute. And it just looks like a dog's view, I guess, of a street festival. Really, really cute. I'll give Chester a treat. Oh, they hear the treats. Okay. All right, everybody's gonna get a treat. Chester, sit. Set. Chester's a little slow. We're still training Chester. Chester, set. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, Leo, your turn. Come here, Leo. Set. Play. Good boy. All right. I hope that you guys enjoyed my first BarkBox unboxing with 2 dogs. It was very interesting, but not too bad. I think they did really well together. And Chester wants another treat. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.